We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey y'all, good morning and good morning. I was just coming to show you guys my morning routine. Okay, it's kind of late. Like, I woke up super late, but I'm still show y'all. Anyways, everyone, I wake up. I get out of my bed. Okay, and yeah, I get out of the bed, and normally my dog, my honey bunny, we get up together, and I sing her good morning song. My stinking white. Girl, what you crying for, girl? You don't want me to sing you good morning, girl? You want a treat? Yeah. Yeah. You want a treat? Come on, take away. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I bought her these treats that look like cookies. And she loves them, but she normally chokes and, you know, some extra stuff. A little piece fell off. But, I think she likes them for the most part, but I try my best to find something healthy for her to eat, and I think these are kind of like a little too, I don't know, I think these are too starchy because they normally constipate her, and I just buy them just to get over until I get some actual money to buy like healthier treats, like real meat and real chicken and stuff like that. But she loved these, even though they constipate her. I just try not to give them to her like too often. Anyways, so yeah, you guys, I'm going to shower and brush my teeth because yeah, my breath is a little funky right now. But I'm finna shower and brush my teeth for the good. Ow. Yeah, my skin looks so, I don't know what my skin look like. A little ashy. My skin look ashy. Anyways, I'm finna jump in the shower and then I'm gonna hit y'all back. Okay, y'all, these jeans are from Fashion Nova. Ow. No, but I really wanted to show y'all my my body after like me working out and stuff. But to be honest with y'all, I really don't do no heavy like workouts, which I feel like I kind of should start doing. But at the same time, I really haven't been eating 3 full meals a day. I kind of been like just snacking all day, just snack. Okay, and I don't recommend you doing that. Eat your 3 meals a day, and then that way your journey won't be prolonged like mine. Like it's prolonged. These pants are smushing my butt in a little bit. I don't know how to feel about that, but it's kind of like a love-hate relationship with these pants. Like they show off the little curves that I do have, but at the same time they are they got some stretch in them, but they still kind of tight. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all my body. Yeah, look at that booty. Look at the booty. Okay, but no, okay. I'm finna get ready to go. So that's kind of like my whole video for y'all. Bye. If y'all don't mind, comment down below on some videos y'all would want me to do for y'all. Okay, but meantime, between the time, bye.